Cortisol is a stress hormone that is released by the adrenal gland during times of stress. Cortisol regulates almost every system in our body, including mood, metabolism, immune function, memory, and cognition. While important to reacting to physiological and psychological stressors, chronically high cortisol can lead to health issues such as anxiety, depression, fatigue, inflammation, weight gain, high blood pressure, decreased immune function, high chances of heart diseases, and diabetes. Along with speaking to healthcare professionals, foods to lower cortisol level can be helpful in managing your stress, and that's exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. Foods to lower cortisol contain elements that help with your body's cortisol regulation. At the same time, they push down your cortisol production. While you can supplement with many of these nutrients, it is almost always better to eat whole food that are nutritionally dense and not just supplements. Number one is foods high in B vitamins. B vitamins such as B1, B5, and B12 all directly affect how cortisol is released by your adrenal glands during stress. Vitamin B3 and B12 also play a role in your sleep and wake cycle, which can be affected by stress and cortisol. Foods high in B vitamins can help metabolize and or burn cortisol. They include organ meat such as beef liver, chicken, eggs, nutritional yeast, fortified cereals, beans, and leafy vegetables. For nutritional yeast, you can sprinkle a teaspoon or a tablespoon over anything from salad, roasted veggies, yogurt, peanut butter, or pasta. Number two is foods high in potassium. Potassium helps balance cortisol level because it supports parasympathetic nervous system, a network of nerves that relaxes your body after periods of stress or danger. Excess cortisol can cause the kidney to excrete potassium, so these potassium-rich foods such as apricot, beans, potatoes, butternut squash, spinach, beet greens, avocado, and bananas can help restore those levels and decrease the side effect that comes with stress and elevated cortisol. We typically need 4,700 milligrams of potassium per day. Number three is foods high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 foods reduce inflammation and are linked with brain health and stress reduction. People with low level of omega-3 fatty acids tend to have higher cortisol levels. Omega-3 foods include tuna, salmon, mackerel, walnuts, avocado, chia seeds, flax seeds, and olive oil. Number four is foods high in magnesium. Magnesium is essential for a lot of bodily functions, but is especially essential for reducing inflammation, metabolizing cortisol, and relaxing muscles and mind. It also helps regulate the heartbeat and decrease blood pressure. Chronic physical or mental stress depletes your body of magnesium via sweat and urine, and low magnesium levels increase your stress level and can create a negative cycle. Getting enough magnesium has been shown to decrease anxiety and stress. Magnesium can be found in pumpkin seeds, pistachios, broccoli, banana, avocado, peanuts, and dark chocolate. Also, dark chocolate contains high amount of flavonoids, which has been shown to lower stress reactivity in the adrenal glands, resulting in lower cortisol. If you choose dark chocolate, make sure it's at least 90% cacao. Number five is foods that balance blood sugar. If you're hoping to reduce stress, don't skip meals. Eating on a regular schedule helps balance your blood sugar levels. Being in a chronic state of low blood sugar is stressful on your body and can increase cortisol. So maintaining a balanced blood sugar can decrease your cortisol levels. Eating unrefined, fiber-rich, complex carbs such as beans and legumes can help you control blood sugar and therefore cortisol levels. Also, protein-rich foods such as fish, chicken breast, almonds, eggs, and lean beef can help promote balanced blood sugar levels. Number six is probiotics and prebiotics foods. Both probiotics and prebiotics are linked to better gut and mental health. Your gut has trillions of bacterial cells which have major benefits for your health. They keep your gut barrier strong, combat inflammation, modulate the immune system, and even help regulate mental health. That's why boosting the composition of your gut is important. Prebiotics such as high fiber foods provide food for these bacteria. Probiotic foods have good bacteria in them, and these include Greek yogurt, kimchi, kombucha, and sauerkraut. And these foods may help reduce stress-induced elevated cortisol levels. Some of these bacteria also relieve symptoms of IBS and the stress associated with living with chronic illness. Number seven is not a food, but it's very critical for your health, and this is water. Your brain is 70 to 80% water, and even a 2% dehydration can result in fatigue, impaired memory and difficulties with attention and mood. Studies have shown that even a decrease of half a liter of water will increase cortisol levels, and long-term cortisol production can lead to adrenal fatigue. Therefore, it is important to stay hydrated by drinking water throughout the day. If you get bored with plain water, you can add slices of lemon, lime, or orange. Also, you can infuse water with fresh berries, pineapple, or melon. Or you can add fresh mint leaves, basil, ginger, or rosemary. Avoid drinking too much alcohol, caffeine, and simple sugar drinks such as soda. Remember, you cannot only depend on food for stress management. It is best to take a whole body approach, but knowing what food to eat and not what to eat to manage cortisol can be an important piece in your treatment. If this has been helpful, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more health related videos. Until next time, stay healthy and remember, health is the greatest wealth.